What if I told you there's an experiment run by real physicists in real labs that proves the act of observing something literally changes what it does? That's not spirituality. That's peer-reviewed quantum mechanics. And it changes everything you think you know about manifestation. In the next 7 minutes, I'm going to decode the actual science. No PhD required. We're covering the double slit experiment, the quantum field, and one daily habit that the law of attraction space has completely backed. I'm not here to sell you on anything. I'm here to give you the mechanism, the why, so that your practice finally has a foundation you can trust. Let's get into it. If you're new here, this channel is built around one idea. Big concepts, plain English, practical steps. If that's your thing, subscribe. New videos every week. And if you've tried manifestation before and quietly gave up because nothing you tried could explain how it works, you're in exactly the right place. Because the problem wasn't your belief. The problem was that nobody ever gave you the mechanism. That changes today. The observer effect. Let me start with the experiment. Physicists still can't fully agree on the double slit experiment. Here's the setup. Scientists fire electrons, tiny subatomic particles, at a barrier with 2 slits cut into it. When no one is watching, those electrons travel like waves. They spread out and create a ripple pattern on the other side, like water going through 2 openings at once. But the moment scientists place a detector at the slits to observe which hole each electron passes through, everything changes. The electrons stop acting like waves. They start acting like individual particles, going through one slit or the other. The wave pattern disappears. The act of observing literally changed the result. Now, I'm not saying electrons have feelings. Physicists debate endlessly about what this actually means. But here's what they do agree on. The observer is not separate from the system. Your attention is the heart of the experiment. This is the real foundation of quantum manifestation. Your consciousness is not a passive spectator watching reality unfold. According to the science, it's a participant. What you focus on, you interact with. What you interact with responds. So when you direct, sustain, emotionally engaged attention toward a specific outcome. You are not daydreaming. You are, according to quantum mechanics, participating in the collapse of a wave of possibilities into one specific reality. Observation is not passive. It is creative. Now, here's what nobody in the manifestation space will tell you. And this is the exact reason most people practice quietly falls apart after a few weeks. It's not that they don't believe hard enough. It's not the wrong affirmations. It's not a vision board problem. The issue is what they're pointing their attention at. Because there's a crucial difference between focusing on what you want and focusing on the wanting of it. Quantum mechanics can actually separate those two. The quantum field. Quantum field theory says that at the most fundamental level, reality isn't solid objects. It's overlapping fields of energy and potential. Every particle, every atom in your body, every atom in this room is a ripple in one of those fields. Think of it this way. Before you flip a coin, both outcomes exist as possibilities. The moment you flip it and observe the landing, one possibility collapses into your reality. The quantum field works the same way. The version of your life you want, the relationship, the career, the freedom, according to physics, those exist right now as potential states, uncollapsed, waiting. What determines which potential collapses into your experience? Focus combined with emotion. Not passive visualization. Not staring at a vision board while feeling vaguely anxious underneath. Research from the Heart Math Institute shows that when your heart and brain are in coherence, when you genuinely feel the emotion of your desired reality as if it's already true, you produce measured electromagnetic field that extends outside your body. You are literally broadcasting a signal. That signal is your input to the quantum field. And you're broadcasting it every minute of every day, whether you're doing it consciously or not. The question is, what signal are you sending most of the time? The timing principle. Here's the advanced piece. The specific habit that almost no one in this space talks about. Most people visualize in the morning, then spend 16 hours in a state that directly contradicts what they just visualized. Stress, urgency, anxious scrolling, feeling like what they want is far away. Quantum mechanics has a term for this: decoherence. idea that quantum states, those waves of possibility, are fragile. They collapse the moment they interact with a noisy environment. Your nervous system is the environment. If your emotion baseline throughout the day is anxiety or lack, you are continuously broadcasting a signal that collapses possibilities in the wrong direction. Not because of punishment, because your sustained signal is pointing somewhere you don't want to go. So the actual practice isn't 10 minutes of visualization twice a day. It's this. Breathe first. Feel second. Visualize third. Every single time. 2 minutes of slow, deliberate breathing to shift your nervous system into coherence. Then bring in the emotion. Feel it genuinely. Then hold the image. In that order. That sequence is quantum manifestation working correctly. Let's close the loop. The observer effect proves your intention is creative, not passive. The quantum field tells you your desired reality already exists as potential. Genuine emotion is the mechanism that collapses it. And your nervous system baseline is either working for or against you all day long. If you want to build this into an actual daily practice with support from people doing the same work, my school community is free to join. Unlimited support. Link is in the description. Come in. The school community is free, no catch. It's full of people solving the exact same things you just heard about. And don't stop here. YouTube already has your next video ready. See you there.